Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto E22i and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's tap on the reset options at the bottom and tap on the option at the top, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Now let's tap on reset settings. Of course, confirm it with your screen lock, and your device is warning you that this operation, that you cannot undo this action basically. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings. And as you can see, we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Hello. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.